Welcome to Bangabari at Siam right now. So I'm standing in front of the here. So I'm Siam Ahmed in front of the people. So today in this video I'm going to talk like about this particular. So that is our traditional bliss please show this particular. Also, we are living in the traditional bliss at the time of saying something like I just feel one kind of like my mentor who is telling me all the time like try to make me text properly and or like I'm trying to understanding my mentor. As you can see this kind of power tiller, and it's also moving, it's also tracking because in the time of before night time. So he tried to clean his power tiller because after completing this power tiller he will be rest, and also he should have take the rest. So as you can see, here is also a traditional farmer he is doing. As you can see, also farmer, also he's a cowboy. As you can see, oh great. So he tried to do hard working every single day to making his life. Those who living in a those who living in place also they have to do hard working every single day. So my heart is charming today because this guy is also removing today day. So I just explained, I just silent to moving as far as you can see here also behind of me. As you can see, like one kind of farmer, please show like one kind of farmer also he is trekking to definitely is different kind of different kind of things. Also he tried to trek, he tried to cut this wild tree because also particular behind of it. So it is situated region is one kind of like he's also farmer, and he have to do hard working. After that he can earn some money. So that is system of the farmer. As you can see, one kind of is power tiller behind me. As you can see, it is a traditional place where we are doing the traditional work every single day. So my heart is also charming. I'm just I'm just serial moving bound, and like also they have a habit of the working hard, and they are strong stamping men. So the particular has been lived from here because the time is over, it is the night time, he had to go home. That's why he tried to live this kind of place. So I think that like if you feel that is reality, that is the life of farmer. Oh yes, I think that you can before watching this video, I think you can get something. The name, the place of farmers. It is a traditional Bangladeshi place. Also, it is situated Belkuchi, Shiazganj, Bangladeshi life. It is a real life. I try to show you. I try to boom in here. Actually, as you can see, it is also one. So maybe I don't know because time is so leakage of here the people. Those people is living in here. They try to do hard working. I say to you, and also they clean after clean. Maybe he will be resume. Not like that. I don't know. Basically, maybe he will be run with his work. So I try to run to see all the farmer. As you can see, like his farmer is also. I cannot see him properly. Also, he is like. Matching this kind of things. It is the power of the farmer. Yes, really. So please pair for this kind of farmer and pair for me also all the time. Thank you very much.